From cats dancing with wall plugs to gourmet felines turning their nose at ice cream, get ready for the most hilarious cat reactions you've ever seen. The smell of regret. This cat has a ritual. Every time the owner comes home, it sniffs them like a detective. But today, it sniffs something it really wishes it hadn't. Sniff and panic. They say curiosity killed the cat, but in this case, it just made him go a little bonkers. One whiff of his owner's foot and it was game over. Poor Whiskers never saw it coming. The parental sniff test. Imagine if humans sniffed their kids to check if they were clean. That's what this cat did, and his face says it all. Let's just say he's not doing it again. Surprise cream attack. All this cat wanted was to prank his human, but when he jumped on her and saw her face covered in cream, he ended up screaming, "Karma, kitty, karma." Coffee table troubles. This cat just wanted to chill on the table and sip some imaginary coffee, but he took too long, and now his loving humans won't stop cuddling him. The struggle is real. Ice cream catastrophe. The family thought it'd be cute to share ice cream with their cat, but his reaction? Priceless. Apparently, he prefers 5-star cuisine. Masked confusion. Paloosa's usually a happy fluff ball, but today, something's off. Maybe it's the new face mask his human is wearing. That what in the world face says it all. The dream fight. This sleepyhead is chill, unless he's dreaming of being cornered by a gang of barking dogs. Then, even the tiniest sound turns him into a ninja warrior. The taste of desperation. When hunger hits, cats get creative, like Manches here, who decided his back paw looked delicious. Yep, that happened. Dance like no one's watching. At first glance, it looks like this cat loves his wall plug, but no, he's just treating himself to some self-love and freestyle dancing. Electric moves, anyone? What's the funniest face your cat has ever made? Tell us in the comments. Check out more videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more cuteness. See you next time.